Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making saffron milk cake. To make the cake you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of saffron, 100 grams of butter kept at room temperature, 3 large eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Grease a baking dish with butter and dust lightly with flour. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or gas mark 3. Soak half a teaspoon of saffron threads in 1 tablespoon of hot water for the cake. Sift all-purpose flour and baking powder together. Beat the butter and sugar for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until it doubles up and turns creamy. Add the 3 eggs one at a time and beat until there's a smooth mixture. Add the vanilla essence and soak saffron to the batter and whisk well. Add the flour mixture bit by bit to form a cake batter, making sure you don't overmix. Pour the batter and spread evenly into the greased baking dish. Bake for approximately 25 minutes. For the soaking milk, you will need 1½ cup of semi-skimmed milk, half a cup of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of cream, and a pinch of saffron. On medium heat, mix together the milk, condensed milk, and cream in a saucepan. Bring to a gentle boil and simmer for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and set aside till the soaking milk comes to room temperature. For the topping, you will need 1½ cup of chilled cream and 3/4 cup of icing sugar. Using a cake beater, whip the chilled cream for about 5 to 7 minutes till it thickens, then add icing sugar and whisk till the sugar is well blended with the cream. Once the cake has cooled to room temperature, make some deep holes with the help of a wooden skewer so that the milk can be absorbed by the cake. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Pour half or a little less than a cup of soaking milk over the cooled cake. Reserve half of the soaking milk for serving later. Then spread the topping over the soaked cake evenly and refrigerate the cake for 4 to 5 hours. To serve, cut the cake into neat squares and place each piece into a deep serving bowl. Then pour 3 or 4 tablespoons of soaking milk into the serving dish. Give this saffron milk cake a go and let me know what you think. See you next time!